I'm gonna try to make 2 videos today, just because this is one of the very last days that it'll be somewhat nice out, and I have the time, so I'm gonna try to make 2. As you can see by the title and probably thumbnail, the focus for this video is gonna be a little life hack I was told about how to keep your hands warm, because like I said, it is getting pretty chilly. But I'm going to try that out, let you guys know if it works. Damn, I might as well just restart. I can't keep a sentence going. Hold on, give me a second. So I'm gonna try out the life hack, let you guys know if it works, and then later today I'm gonna go riding again, and just make a normal video, I guess, probably, unless I think of something in between now and then. But that's the plan. But first, I have to wipe my visor off. Oh, man. So, which I forgot to take a video of it before I cleaned it. Okay, yep. Wow, would you look at that? It can wait. Oh, actually. Hey, watch it, dickhead. Shit. Alright, fuck that. It can wait. That's actually fine, because as weird as this is gonna sound, I needed a video of my visor, my helmet all dirty for real anyways, so it works out. I'll just clean it off later. So as I was saying earlier, this video is going to be about how to keep your hands warm while you're riding and it's getting colder out. But from what I heard, what you're going to want to do is go to the store and get yourself a pair of nice heated gloves. Thanks for watching. Nah, I'm just kidding. I hate that shit. I hate when people do that. Listen, if you're gonna make a like how-to video or like advice, don't fucking tell me to go buy something that's specifically meant for that. Like, don't say, oh, this is how to keep your hands warm. You buy heated gloves. No shit, buddy. They're supposed to do that. That's the whole point of them. Thank you. If I wasn't to just buy heated gloves, I would go do that. I want to know how to do it cheaper without buying that shit. Don't fucking make a whole video. Hey, I'll fight you. Don't make a whole fucking video just to tell me to go buy heated gloves. No, that's so annoying. Dude, I can't make a video today. Holy fuck. My brain is all over the place. I can't. Hold on. Okay, so when people make like how, I already said that. I don't need to say it again. You get the point. But I'm making a video on how to do it much cheaper and not the normal way. So I'm going to go secure the thing that you apparently need for this, and then we'll see if it works. Okay. I'm gonna hit another red light, so I cut one. Okay, so I got the thing that I'm actually making the video for. I also parked right here in front of the trees, because why not? But so apparently these are how you keep your hands warm. You just put them on. These are like surgery gloves, whatever you want to call them. Rubber gloves, I don't give a shit. But apparently you put these on under your regular gloves, and they're supposed to basically like keeps the heat in and stuff. Obviously doesn't look very cool. I mean, you can't really tell now, so but yeah, like I said, apparently that holds the heat in better, so it keeps your hands warm underneath. I've never actually done this before, so it's my first time trying it out. But I will let you know. I'm gonna go ride around for a little bit now. Let you know how it goes. Like if I notice a difference or not. We'll see. But yeah, buying a box of these is about $10. Actually, it's like $8. So much cheaper than heated gloves. And as long as you already have regular gloves to put on underneath, should be good. I know it's a little soon to say like, oh yeah, I definitely notice a difference, but it does feel a little better, that's for sure. Oh man, I forgot to pose for the thumbnail. I guess I'll do it right now. Boom. One thing you do have to take into account is the outside temperature itself, because if it's already like super cold and chilly, it's obviously not really going to work that well. So, like, it'll work to an extent, but once it gets too cold, then it's just pointless. Yeah, I didn't think literally everybody was going to be out today. Yeah, now that I'm going a little bit faster and stuff, I'm getting hit with the wind, I can tell. It definitely does seem to help a decent bit with holding the heat in. Like, especially if you have breathable gloves. Definitely helps keep the heat in. So, it's not bad. This, I mean, I'm not really dressed for this because it's colder than I thought, so I should have long sleeves on underneath this. I don't, but it's pretty chilly today. My nipples are probably poking out like...
Well, it's certainly chilly today.
So I'm not gonna say it makes like a huge difference, but like my hands are completely warm now, but they're definitely warmer than they would be without them. So like they definitely help. I can't say how much better heated gloves would be because I've never worn them, but I'm assuming it would be a significant amount, because otherwise what's the point of wasting money on them? But they definitely do make a difference, it's just not a huge one. I'm so hungry. This is rough. I have not eaten today. But, fuck it, we ball, as the kids say. My hands aren't too bad, but my toes are pretty much numb by now. So that's always fun. I even bought thicker socks. Thank you. What's up? R6. 2005. It's old as shit. Thanks for the compliment. Thanks. Said sounds good. Thanks, bro. He's watching. I'll give him a little. What is that? I have not seen that car before. Interesting. That's going to be it for this video, though. Like I said, if everything goes as planned, I'll be recording another one here in 2.5, 3 hours, most. Probably 2 hours. So, should be recording another one today. Hopefully. So if that goes as planned, I will see you in that video.